In this video, we're going to learn how we can take the cell library used to map survey, turn off the annotation aware settings so that a cell is a constant size regardless of the set drawing scale. To do this, we want to take a look at making a copy of our master cell library, and you'll see the path that this is located. We're going to copy this file, and we're going to paste it over at our work set level into that cell folder. So we're going to paste a copy into here. And because the work set is loaded after the primary standard configuration files, this will override the original one. And so we want to open this file and make that change to that particular cell that we want to modify. So I'm going to proceed to open this cell library that is a copy of the master put into my work set folder cell folder structure. So we'll open that up. And we want to go ahead and switch to the model of the one that we want to modify. So in this case, benchmark is going to be the example I'm going to use. I'm just picking something. And we need to turn on in our columns up here is annotation cell. In other words, does it recognize the annotation settings? So for the benchmark, I'm going to turn that setting off in the copy of my cell library. Now to pick up this change, you do need to restart OpenRoads Designer. And so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do that. And I'm just going to make a new 3D file so we can map survey in to test this. So we'll use our 3D seed. I'm working in survey foot in this example. I'm just going to call this test 3D. Now we'll open up Explorer and we'll go ahead and map some survey just to verify that that benchmark cell no longer annotates to this drawing scale. And so we'll navigate down to our survey tab, make a new field book, and then we're going to import. And we deliver some sample survey that uses the USACE codes. So I'm going to use the survey points. And then we want to open the TIW file for the import file. And then finish. And I went to the survey workflow, analyze, and I turned on the field codes. So you'll see those toggle on and off, and you'll see the benchmark here. And so now if I go over to my drawing scale, and let's say that I switch this to 100 scale, you'll see that my bollard and my bench tie both doubled in size, but my benchmark remains at a 1-to-1 because I took away the annotation cell. This used to be a circle, this benchmark, before we made that change. So it's picking up that updated cell library that we copied over to the work set folder structure. And if I were to delete this file and remap my survey again, then it would go back to where that benchmark cell was actually annotation aware. So that's how you can customize our delivered cell library for survey features and turn off the annotation aware setting if you need to.